The Asus Rog Strix G18 packs cutting-edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 gaming laptop GPU into your hands, elevating your gaming experience like never before. Imagine unleashing stunningly smooth performance and unparalleled frame rates on even the most demanding games, without the need for a separate graphics card. This powerhouse of a laptop features a 16GB DDR7 graphic memory, advanced Optimus support, and cutting-edge technologies like DLSS and frame generation. It's like having your own personal gaming supercomputer in a sleek, portable package that you can take anywhere. Whether you're a competitive esports player or an avid gamer looking for the best possible experience, this GPU has got you covered. But what really sets the Asus ROG Strix G18 apart is its ultra-fast Intel Ultra 9 275HX processor. This beast of a CPU boasts a whopping 24 cores and 24 threads, with a base frequency of 2.7 GHz and turbo frequencies reaching up to 5.4 GHz. That's more than enough power to handle even the most demanding tasks, from 3D modeling and video editing to streaming and online gaming. With this processor, you'll experience unparalleled performance and responsiveness, making it perfect for professionals who need lightning-fast workflows and creative applications that can keep up with their high expectations. Whether you're a graphic designer, photographer, or videographer, the Asus ROG Strix G18's Intel Ultra 9 275HX processor is sure to impress. But it's not just about raw processing power. The Asus ROG Strix G18 also boasts stunning visuals and sleek design. The 18-inch 2.5K premium ROG Nebula display features a breathtaking 240Hz refresh rate, with Pantone validation for professional-grade color accuracy and 100% DCI-P3 coverage. This display is perfect for anyone who wants to immerse themselves in the game or enjoy stunning visuals while working or streaming. And when it comes to cooling and performance optimization, the Asus ROG Strix G18 has got you covered. The laptop's advanced cooling system, including vapor chamber cooling, tri-fan tech, and Conductonaut Extreme, ensures that your computer stays cool under pressure. Advanced Optimus and a MUX switch seamlessly optimize performance and battery life, keeping your laptop at peak efficiency even when pushing it to the limit. But what really sets the Asus ROG Strix G18 apart is its generous storage capacity. With 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a massive 2TB PCIe SSD, you'll have plenty of room for your games, files, and applications. Whether you're storing entire game libraries or running multiple resource-intensive programs at once, this laptop has got the storage space to keep up. In short, the Asus ROG Strix G18 is the ultimate gaming laptop for anyone who wants the best possible experience without breaking the bank. With its cutting-edge GPU, ultra-fast processor, stunning display, and generous storage capacity, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their gaming or creative work to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to upgrade your gaming setup with the Asus ROG Strix G18. Your competitive edge is just a click away.